Hi everyone, this is Alexei. Today is 17th of November, Thursday, and we start every morning forecast for gold. Gold tried to go to up again, but again it received resistance, and I think this resistance will make problem to growing, and if today we will see also some volume as we saw here, it will make movement to new minimum of this week, maybe to minimum more below than 2000. But if we will see broken this movement, broken this high, and we will see new high on this week, more probably we will see that test what I waited before, test 2050, and after that just movement to down. Here will best point for open short, and here you should find some confirmation on less time frame or take on 1 hour with this stop and make money. Thank you for watching me, subscribe to me, see you tomorrow.